You know Power BI, but still you have lots of questions in your mind. How does it happen? Why it happens? How can I do that? This is the series for you. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Hello and welcome to another video on abstract thesis series, and in today's video we would like to compare two work days with each other. So let's say today is a work day and I want to compare it with the last work day. So if it is Monday, I don't want to compare it with Sunday's sales. I actually wanted to compare it with the sales of Friday. So this work day versus last work day, how we are going to do this comparison and find out change percentage. So let's go ahead and jump into the Power BI. I am using my regular sales model where my sales table is joined with the date table, with the item table, with the geography table, and with the customer table. This is my model. It's a perfect star schema. One to many single directional joins are available here. Now to do this, first of all, I need few changes to my date table. I actually need the workday dates. So dates which are workday and a rank on that. So to do that, let me first of all create a workday few columns out here. So the first column which I'm going to create here is workday flag. So if workday or weekday, what we call weekday of date, only thing, because I'm doing the add column, the only thing which is available right now for me to do the calculation is date, and type 2 I'm going to take means Monday means 1. If it is greater than or equal to 6, then it is 0, else it is 1. So 0 as 1. So this is my flag. Now I need a date also. So what I'm going to do here is, instead of using workday, I can't use workday, so I say workday date, and workday date is something which I'm going to give blank here when it is greater, and I'm going to give a date here. Now let's look at these things, and I need to sort on the date. Let me sort ascending, and you can see the dates are missing on the weekends. Now I need a rank on this, and now I need a rank on the workday. So either I modify this table to have a second table, or I create a rank here. So I'm going to use this workday rank on. I'm going to, on top of that, I'm going to create a new column here, and the new column would be rank work day, and I'm going to say rank X. I'm going to say like this. First of all, if workday equals to 0, then it is blank, then the rank is blank, else rank X filter the date table where workday equals to 1, then we say workday date, rank the workday date, next the second one ascending order, and then we need the dense ranking. So now we got, otherwise what would happen if you don't take care of these things, remove considering this as blank and 1, you might get a 0 rank on these work days which are non-working days. You can get 0 there. So now I got a continuous rank starting with 1, and this is why I put a filter. I also said when it is 0 it should be blank. All those things have been taken care. Now it is very simple. We have done it many times when we have done week on week comparison, day on day comparison. We need the data of a work day and want to compare it with another work day. So let's build a visual and try to create these things. So we are going to create a visual on date, and we will bring in net here. So the base measure is net. We're going to bring it here. So now, because it's already a date level, I can simply create a previous workday, but I'll start by creating this workday, then last workday. This workday is optional in most of the cases if you're using date, but actually, let's see. So what we are going to say is calculate net filter all of the date table and say workday rank. Now what we call the workday rank is rank workday equals to max rank workday and rank workday not equal to blank. Let's try this. Measure this workday. So we got this workday, and see the reason for using this not equal to blank, that I don't want a data on non-working day because I only want to say workday data. Now, you know, previous workday is pretty easy. The same formula is going to work with -1. What happens when we use this max? Max means basically in this row, whatever max date is possible. If it is a month, there could be a max date possible because there are more than one date available in that context. Okay, so here what we are going to have, calculate net, filter all date, date of date, and that's where actually right now in this context this formula could have even worked even if I don't use all date. But when I want to do this -1, now -1 is needed because right now what is happening here is I have all the dates in the context, so -1 can work with all selected also. But when you select a date, at that time you will not have the other date in the context. In that case also this formula should work. So that's why we say all of the date, and then we say max, take the max of the workday rank and then do -1. And this workday is already available, so let's say last workday. See, we got last workday also. Now this workday, last workday, and now we need difference. So that's very simple. This is change percentage or diff percentage WD vs last WD, which is divide this workday minus last workday. There are 2-3 ways you can do. This is my way of doing it. So you got it. So 37 was more, so that's why you are getting a negative. Now second one, 28 is less than 45 next time, so 28 and 45 you are getting the positive. So in this manner you can get this workday versus last workday. So go ahead and try that out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.